Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm going to show you how you can delete all contacts from your iPhone. So for that you have to go to your settings first, and then from here tap Apple ID, and then from here you have to tap iCloud, and then from here you have to tap show all, and then over here you can see contacts. So turn the contact button off and you will see two options: keep on my phone and delete. So you have to tap delete from my iPhone and your contact will be deleted. So I will show you. So I'm going to my contact list. So yeah, this is how you can delete all contact. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye.